Here's a deck where you could view the beach, have a meal, have a drink. There's Mike. And then they have a pool and then a jacuzzi. It's very kid friendly. It's like an old apartment or condo or who knows that they turned into a hotel. Ooh, here's our room. It has a fireplace. Hey.
Where's the charger?
And there's a kitchen over there.
Where's my charger?
And the bathroom is over there.
Huh?